crash on my way. Jesus Christ, man. I'm a boy anyway, man, I have to support him.
I'm an Oscar guy, so we're on the same team.
Papaya rule, you know?
Yeah. I don't know.
Papaya rule.
So we have Mad City RX7 over there. So carbon fiber bonnet. TE is tough. And then you have this super. This super was at the JDM car show at National Arena. Yeah, this is really nice. So I'm just showing you all the cars that are here at the show so far. Give you a little walkthrough so you guys can see what is up. Everybody's out with them family and thing, enjoying themselves. Daniel, big up to Daniel for bringing out the machine them. And then you have S2K. Then you have this nice Honda. Then you have the exterior cleaning. Nice. It's really clean. And then some other classic machine out here. So I think this lineup going all the way down is where the real classic, some of the real classic machines are. Like this, you don't see this on a regular basis. You have a Camaro right there, Chevrolet. You have this real old school Jaguar. You have this old school Ford. It look like I think it was a bread van, I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. Then you have that classic Jeep. Then you have this VW GTI. And you have this nice go-kart looking. You have this nice go-kart looking car. It's supposed to feel tough on the highway. And then you have Jordan's E36. This drift machine. Really tough. And then you have this James Bond's looking old school Benz right here. Really nice. Really tough. 300 SL. The color that they went on this car is really nice. So I'm just showing you guys the back of the cars that are here. Everybody's out with their family enjoying themselves. Today is Sunday, Father's Day. So this is the Father's Day special for Jamaica Classic Car Club. So everybody out with their children, their family, enjoy themselves, cooling down. And over there you have some bikes over there. You see the footage on that one they were entering. And then you have MG over that side. Really nice. The setup is really nice. And big up to Jamaica Classic Car Club for hosting this meet for the fathers and for the people to enjoy the cars. Really good meet. The environment is nice, place is cool, no loud music. Really love it. Can't go wrong with a Superman, I'm telling you. I see the RX7 by Mad City. Really tough, yeah. The rims on this car is really nice. The rims on this is really cool. It's tough. Yeah, when I talk about clean, really,
No, man, big
that's tough. So now we have the Evos. Big up to Kyle Brandon for bringing out the machine then. Looking really clean. One thing with Brandon, him not leaving machine them dirty when I'm on the road. So yeah, big up to Kyle again. on the other team. So also you have the MG group, which is the first. This is the first time I've seen an official car brand that is out at the Jamaica Classic car meet. So I love the way how they're improving and trying that they promote their brand.
Problem. You understand?
And it's a big brand. I don't know what.
Actually.
So once
So yeah, big up to the MG group for coming through and showing what they have to offer to the people. Really, really good. And you have ATL Automotive Art. And you have these nice Mini Coopers, classic minis. These are what you call true minis. When you mean small, these are really, really small. But yeah.
Ray, see me out here for the middle of today. Ray.
Yeah. Yo, this is really clean. Wow.
Another video.
Yo. This is a V8 Maserati. I'm not sure what kind of Maserati this is, but tough. They're really clean. I like how the engine manifold them look. All of them are aluminum. Clean interior. So good. Yep.
Happy Father's Day. Yeah, man. Matthew.
One for the young. Believe.
Thanks for watching.